Hi folks, this is Chris France with Advance2000. I'm going to do the video for our new Cloud In-Touch system first, and then I'll kind of get it in some more detail with a PowerPoint. And this is the last time you're going to see my face, so let's try to get on with this, see how this works. All right, now I'm going to first do the communicator, and I'm going to call my colleague Will Leger. Okay, Will, on my desk phone now. So this is good. This feature is good. Let's see if I can get the. There's my desk phone, Yealink T46G, and you also see it on my my iPhone there too. And you see it's coming in from Will, and I will answer it. Hey.
Hey, Chris, it's Will.
How you doing, sir? All right, we're just gonna do. We're not gonna talk long. I'm just gonna. I'm doing a little demo, and I'll call you right back from my my communicator. See ya.
All right, that's good. Thank you.
So that was him calling me. All right, and you can brand it. You can see Advance2000. This is my desk phone. You can put your company there. And I've already got Will. Let me show you my whole company directory so you can see everybody. And if I just want to do Will, you do it like this, and I click call. And it rings my phone. I have to answer it, and then it will connect with Will.
Hello, it's Will.
Hey, how's it going? All right, I called you. It works.
Hold on a second. Yeah, I'm looking at my screen, and it says your name and your extension, and then on my desktop I've got communicator, and your phone goes from green to red, and first it's ringing, and now it's on call.
Yeah, and I'm actually in Binghamton, New York, and Will is in Charlotte, North Carolina, so we're running over the internet.
Same company phone, and plugged into a router with Time Warner cable and internet.
You got it. I'll call you right back, Will.
All right, thanks.
And so now, let's see. I'm gonna. I already did my desk phone, but I'm just gonna call him. You saw the what an inbound call looks like. So if I just want to dial his number, 4-200-9745.
This is Will.
And it connects. All right, I dialed your number manually from my desk phone. All right.
All right, well, it sounds the same to me. It's just your phone call coming through, man.
Now, I'm going to text you back or chat with you, and we'll do this one more time on the communicator, and then that'll be it. You can get back to work.
Glad to help.
Bye. All right, so let's go back to, I want to do the communicator now. I just kind of want to show you what this looks like. So now, this is the my iPhone here showing on the screen. And so when I'm traveling, my iPhone becomes my handset of my office phone. So anybody calling my office phone, I could be in California or Charlotte, whatever, and it will ring. And so now I'm gonna chat with Will, and I'll say, all right, back on my desk phone, and my smart phone will ring with my Cloud In-Touch client app. So we're chatting a little bit. You can decide how you want to do. All right, call me. Sometimes your thing will blow up when you're trying to talk to somebody else. All right, see, incoming call from Will Leger. I will just hit this green thing. And my desk phone, you hear ringing because I'm in the same office. All right.
So, you got everything now?
Yeah, I think so.
Everything working?
And it's got my smartphone, and we're good. Thank you, Mr. Will. Take care.
You're welcome. I look forward to seeing this.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, so we'll put this down, and I'll kind of get into this. So that's kind of the, I'm going to close the connection here. I don't think I need my iPhone anymore. And so just to kind of walk you through some of the information on the PowerPoint, Cloud In-Touch, telephony, and the topics I want to talk about today is just kind of a short intro, standard features for users, standard features for a company, some of the premier features, the communicator soft phone like you just saw, direct inward dialing, DIDs, connectivity, and the demo. I did that first, so if you don't want to hear me talking, you don't have to. This is the Cloud In-Touch kind of solution set. We offer this for businesses. You could be standalone, hosted in our data center. Basically, one company is dedicated to this one installation of the PBX, or we can install it, on premise. And this is call it a private label PBX for your business. We can also provide a call center. If you have very complex call agents and routing and queues and all that, this will do that. Many of our small businesses use this final product set, which is I call it a multi-tenant Cloud In-Touch. So we can have, I don't know, one of these PBXs might hold 200 users, and we can have 10 users from one company and 20 users from another company, and they're all kept separate, all separate phone numbers, but we're able to kind of, really leverage the economies of scale of having multiple businesses on one underlying phone infrastructure. And you can see we've got different models. I don't know all the details, but we can get you that. This one's got a bigger screen, more programmable buttons, a little bit more features. This is kind of the next step down. This is what I have on my desk. You saw in the video, the TG46 or the T46G. And then this is kind of the lowest end, the most cost-effective phone. And we even have these wireless mobile, type phones. Standard features for most users. This is a full functional PBX. It's got voicemail to email for free. There's no additional cost for that. Our clients love this feature. So if somebody leaves you a voice message, you can certainly get it from the handset, but we'll also send it to your email, which most people will get on their smartphones and all that. Auto provision, it's very easy. Once we get this thing all set up, you just plug the phone in and it boots up and everything's set. Call forwarding, you can forward it to your cell phone, which you don't really need with the smart app, but you can forward it to your beach house, whatever. Or if somebody's covering for you. We had somebody that maybe had multiple technicians that was on call on a particular night, and they might forward the company line to whichever technician is on call that night. Do not disturb. You can automatically forward things to voicemail. Soft key programming. If you've got certain people or businesses that you call a lot, you can put those in there. This could be branded to your company. You saw my Advance2000. You can search the company directory as well as the customized directory. And things that a company or an IT department might be interested in, you can have your own music on hold, auto attendant. I won't read all these to you. 6-party conference lines, access to a web portal. It just makes it really easy to manage, and the move ads and changes are included in the pricing. And then these premier features, I showed you one of the premier features of that communicator desktop, speaker phones. We could provide redundancy for point-to-point circuits. You can fail over to the internet, call monitoring, what they use for call centers and so forth, custom ringtones. Like I said, this has more capabilities than I even use on a day-to-day basis. And I showed you you can have your company directory. You can see who's online. If you need to ask a quick question, like you saw me chatting with Will, I could talk to anybody. Integrates with your PCs. I can call from my PCs. I can call from my cell phone. works really well. IDs, direct inward dial. So this is a dedicated phone numbers. So a lot of our smaller customers have just a main number to go into at their office, and then they have to transfer it once it gets in through a receptionist or whatever. And you can certainly keep that and do that. But if you wanted to have a direct inward dial and everybody gets their own phone numbers, we can provide that with this system. And on the same token, if you already have your phone numbers, you don't have to get new phone numbers. You can port them. So if it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, you can port 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so forth. And it works really well. Connectivity, one of the biggest advantages of this hosted solution is that it will run over the internet. So this is great for the small home offices or the small offices. You don't need a complex VPN setup, virtual private network. But I will say that we like to cap it at 10 users over the internet, just because then any more users than that, you're going to run into call quality issues, just because of the nature of the internet. And so, but like me, I'm a one user in the house on my home office. It works great. I have a Time Warner cable network, 50 down by 5 up. Will is in Charlotte, same thing. So, but our headquarters in Buffalo, they're on a private SIP circuit, and they're all local. So small offices, 10 and under, you can run over the public internet. If it's larger than that, we like to go with a leased line or a point-to-point, Metro Ethernet or whatever. And these things are very easy. Like, Will, he had a customer meeting the other day, and they were looking at this solution, and they wanted to test it out, not just see this video. And so Will just unplugged his desk phone, brought it to the client's site. He says, all I need is a cable, and I'll plug into your, get to the internet, and boom, his phone booted up, registered with the PBX, and he was making calls from that client location. It's voice over IP technology, and it's very good. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a short video. There's my contact information, my email, phone number, and our website. If you have any more information, please reach out, and we can get you your own copy and try it out. Thank you.